Okay, this is the cicada invasion of 2024. I'm gonna say this is kind of the first day for our house because other people have other robbers. Look at that, he's a baby. He just came out of his shell. So there's another one. Hello, baby. Sorry, I talked to the cicadas. So there's quite a few on the ground here by the tree. They like to nest into the tree. So you can kind of see there's a little hole where one came out, or two, who knows. Oh, someone lost their wing. So, Cicada Invasion 2024. There's that little new baby.